So Lincoln, what are we gonna do today?
Build the walls.
For what?
The Home Alone house.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna build today. This is special. Wait,
And we
kind of blurry right now. Special edition with Lincoln and me, and we're gonna build bag 12 of the Home Alone house.
Look. Honey, the box.
That box of the Home Alone house.
Yeah.
Are you ready to build?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Listen, Home.
It is finished. Bag. What's the bag number? 12 is complete. We've added the gun. And over here, we have to pull this thing. The breakaway shelves. And the walls and windows. So next will be tomorrow. See you later. Bye.